The ACID model is one of the oldest and most important concepts of database theory. It sets forward four goals that every database management system must strive to achieve. And those four are atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability, hence ACID. So what do they mean? What is atomicity? Modifications to a database must follow an all or nothing rule. Each transaction is said to be atomic. If one part of the transaction fails, the entire thing gets rolled back. How about consistency? Only valid data is written to the database. If for some reason a transaction is executed that violates the database consistency rules, the entire transaction will be rolled back and the database will be restored to a state consistent with these rules. What's isolation? Multiple transactions occurring at the same time cannot impact each other's execution. What about durability? Durability ensures that a transaction committed to the database will not be lost. Durability is ensured through the use of database backups and transaction logs that facilitate the restoration of a committed transaction in spite of any subsequent software or hardware failures. These ACID properties are the basic building blocks of any database transaction model.